welcome back to my channel. It's Shauna here, and I'm back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I know it seems like it's been a while, but as many of you know, I've been on my trip to London and I had an amazing time, and all my packing was great. Everything worked out perfect. My feet were great. My layers were great. The only thing I would say is I probably could have brought another sweater. It was colder than I expected. I looked at the weather and I saw rain and some sun and some clouds, but I didn't quite conceptualize how cold it would get some days. But other than that, everything was great. We saw everything. I was really pooped. I recommend it. It was such a wonderful time. And I recommend Rick Steves tours, so check that out. But today we are doing an unboxing, and I think I asked for spring clothes. It's not very springy yet here in Seattle. Well, we have some days of spring, but I just needed some summer clothes anyway. So let's see what I got. Okay, here is the envelope with the style card and the note from my stylist. And also here is the invoice that has the pricing on it. We'll look at that at the end. The envelope to send things back that you don't want. And looks like I got some shoes. Okay, as you guys may remember, I got a different stylist. I'm on to a new stylist, so we'll see if she can keep up with my beloved Jasmine. Oh my god, are these adorable? Look at, they're like a little wedge. They're Franco Sarto. They're a nice nude color. Look at, they have like a little silvery bit on them. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. I hope they're comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna try those on. Oh, it's like a baby burrito today. Look at this teeny baby burrito. Oh, it looks so fun. Okay, I'm really excited about the first thing I see already. I love a yellow top. I love yellow dress actually too. But look how cute this is. Talk about perfect for spring. It's got a little pleating in the back. It's sleeveless and sheer. I can't wait to try it on. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, it's a dress. That's fun. It's a little bit stretchy. Looks like a faux wrap. Blue with a fun pattern. I can't wait to try that on. Perfect for spring. Oh, I think I pinned this. Somebody else had gotten this. Look at how cute this little white shirt is with the little lace detail. That's really cute. It's a little bit crepey and could be a little wrinkly. It's dry clean only. This is gonna have to be the most amazing shirt on the planet for me to keep it dry clean only. And then the last thing is, oh my gosh, look at these adorable shorts. They have a little just navy blue and white pattern in them, and I love navy. And these are really cute. They're just like a nice thick cotton. Okay, I'm gonna go try everything on and see what we think. Okay, here's the first outfit, and the shorts I feel like fit great. I think they look great. I just put them on with some Birkenstocks because I thought that was kind of casual with them. They're linen, but they're thick. They're not kind of a thin linen. I think they're really cute. I put them on with like kind of a little yellowy belt. They're stretchy and comfortable, and depending on the price, these are great shorts. I like the top. I don't like them together. Tell me what you think. I think it's too much lace. Like I could see this with a pair of just jeans, but it's like too much pattern, too much lace. I don't love them together. This shirt, again, because it's dry clean only, I'm gonna be super critical of it. It has that kind of wrinkly, crepey material. And so even though I like the shirt with the little tie in the back, and I think it is so cute and pretty and summery, I just know that I would never wear it. It would just stay in the dry clean pile, to be dry clean pile, and then it would be sad. Maybe if it's a really great price, but we'll just have to see. I did read my stylist note, and I did say ask for summer clothes. Her name's Allie, and so far so good. I really like both of them. Let's try on the next outfit. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really wanted to like this dress, and I really do. How cute is this? Oh my God. It's faux wrap. I love the blue. I love the pattern. I love the length. The only thing that I am a little critical of is you can see my bra a little bit here, but this happens to be a bra that goes up in the armpits a little bit. So I'm going to try it on with a different one and see. I just wonder, is it a little big? But I love it. I love this. It's comfy. It's stretchy. It's lined. It is so cute. What do you think? Okay, I have it on with the Wedge sandals, and I already have nude wedges, but oh my gosh, these are so comfortable and cute. Maybe I need another pair. Maybe we'll have to see the price. They are adorable and perfect with the dress and really, really comfortable. And I have kind of a little bit wider feet. And so I thought, oh, these are gonna hurt. They're squishy and none of the straps are pinching or anything. So cute and comfortable. I love this whole outfit. Tell me what you think. Okay, let me go try on the last thing. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last thing. It's this yellow shirt, and it is so cute. It's so cute. I really like it. I'm a little bit torn. I might have to get a smaller size because even with the different bra on, it's a little loose, but I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be too small with a smaller size, but my bra shows a little bit. It is a little, it's sheer, it's a little see-through, but not bad. I think it's good summery sheer, not hoochie sheer, just to be clear. I just put them on with some blue jeans. I have, these are Anna or A&A jeans from JCPenney's. They're like 20 bucks. You should get them. I love them. And I also splurged and got another pair of clogs while I was in London. A lot of from Stockholm. They're wonderful. And I think my stylist did a great job on this box. But you know it comes down to price. So let's look at the prices. Okay, I really liked everything. Here's what matters, the price. Okay, Allie did a great job. Let's see what the damage is. Okay, so the adorable sandals with the little wedge and silver accent, they're Franco Sarto, they're $89. Oh, so steep. I have wedge sandals. I really like these. 89 is a little bit steep for a sandal, so I probably won't be getting those. The linen shorts by Level 99. Oh, snap, $78 for linen shorts? $78, that seems like a lot for shorts. Am I crazy? I really like these, but that is a lot. Like, I'm antsy about spending that much on a full pair of jeans. Okay, the lace blouse is by Rainn, and it's $68. I really like it. It's just tragic that it's dry clean. And I mean, I would dry clean it, but I just know myself, and I probably won't enough to spend $68 on it. The yellow top is 41 Hawthorne. It's 54. That is more reasonable. I really like this too, but I think I would get a smaller size. And so that is a real strong maybe, the yellow one, because that is fun and I would wear that a lot. The last thing is the 41 Hawthorne wrap dress, and I loved this. And they call this teal green. It looks blue to me, but it's soft and adorable, and it's $74, and I think that's a great price. Okay, so let's say if I got, so I have some credits. So which thank you for everyone and anyone who used my referral code. I'll put it down below, so if you want to try Stitch Fix, you can do it too, but I really appreciate it because it gave me some credits. And so if I bought everything, it would be $197. So, I mean, even with the shoes. So that's not a bad price at all for that many things. Now, I don't know if I want everything or maybe just this adorable dress. Oh, I have some decisions to make. The shorts are cute, but man, that's steep. Oh, you guys are gonna have to help me. Let me know what you think. Let me know on sizing too, because I get a little bit worried about getting a smaller size. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up if you like my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.